It's beach day. Liam bounced out of the car, his orange bucket swinging wildly as his parents laughed behind him. The salty breeze tickled his face, and the sound of seagulls made his heart race with excitement. Today was his first real beach day, and he was ready for adventure. Treasure hunting is serious business. Determined, Liam scoured the sand like a tiny pirate on a quest. He picked up seashells, shiny stones, and even a piece of driftwood shaped like a dolphin. Each find was dropped proudly into his bucket. "I'm going to find something magical," he whispered, squinting at the waves. A surprise wave, but the best kind. Just as he stepped closer to the sea to inspect a crab-shaped shell, a playful wave leapt up and splashed him. He shrieked with surprise, then burst into giggles. His sun hat tumbled off, but he didn't care. This was the kind of splash he'd been hoping for all day. Memories made, treasures kept. As the sun dipped low and painted the sky in gold and orange, Liam sat wrapped in a towel between his mom and dad, a popsicle in one hand and his bucket of treasures by his side. "Best day ever," he mumbled with a sleepy smile. And it truly was.